Hey everyone! Welcome to the Glow Grow Gold channel, your go-to channel for personal development and life transformation. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you wanted to speak up and share your thoughts or ideas, but a lack of confidence held you back? Maybe it was a family gathering where you had something meaningful to contribute, but you stayed silent out of shyness or fear of judgment. Or perhaps it was a work meeting where you had a great idea, but you didn't have the confidence to voice it in front of your colleagues. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Many of us struggle with a lack of confidence that prevents us from fully expressing ourselves and putting our best foot forward. We have so much to offer the world, but self-doubt and insecurity keep us playing small. But what if I told you that deep down, you have an inner badass just waiting to be unleashed? A version of yourself that is fearless, unstoppable, and radiates confidence from every pore? Imagine being able to walk into any room and command respect, pursue your wildest dreams without fear holding you back, and radiate an energy that draws people to you like a magnet. That's the power of true, unshakable confidence. The impact of confidence goes far beyond just feeling good about yourself. It's a mindset that transforms every aspect of your life. When you have unshakable confidence, you'll find yourself taking more risks and seizing opportunities that you might have shied away from before. You'll communicate more effectively, commanding respect and attention from those around you. And when setbacks or failures inevitably come your way, you'll bounce back more quickly, refusing to let them shake your self-belief. Confidence also has a profound effect on your relationships and how you're perceived by others. People are naturally drawn to those who exude self-assurance and charisma. You'll find that you attract better personal and professional relationships, as others are drawn to the magnetic energy that radiates from a truly confident person. Essentially, confidence is the key that unlocks your full potential and allows you to live life to the absolute fullest. It's the difference between playing small and settling for mediocrity, or stepping into your power and achieving greatness. Think about the most confident person you know. How do they carry themselves? How do they interact with others? Chances are, they exude an aura of self-assurance that's hard to ignore. And that's exactly what you'll cultivate with the Unshakable Confidence Blueprint. But here's the thing. Most people have been sold a lie about confidence. They think it's something you either have or you don't, and if you don't have it, you're just out of luck. Maybe you've even believed this myth yourself, thinking that confident people were just born that way. That couldn't be further from the truth. Confidence is a skill that can be learned and developed, just like any other skill. It's not something you're destined to have or not have. It's something you can cultivate and grow with the right mindset and strategies. And the Unshakable Confidence Blueprint is your step-by-step guide to mastering it. This isn't just another self-help book or motivational speech. It's a proven, actionable plan that will rewire your brain and transform your life from the inside out. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step Unshakable Confidence Blueprint. Step 1. Undergo a mindset shift. Confidence starts in your mind. If you have negative self-talk, limiting beliefs, and a scarcity mindset, no amount of external validation or success will ever make you truly confident. To shift your mindset, you need to identify and challenge those limiting beliefs, practice positive self-talk and affirmations. You also need to adopt an abundance mindset that recognizes there is enough success, love, and opportunity to go around. For example, let's say you have a limiting belief that you're not good enough or smart enough to achieve your goals. Challenge that belief by looking for evidence that contradicts it. Maybe you've achieved similar goals in the past, or you have skills and talents that others admire. Then, replace that negative self-talk with positive affirmations like, I am capable and worthy of success, or, I have the determination to achieve my goals. Repeat these affirmations daily, and watch as your mindset starts to shift. This mindset shift is crucial because it lays the foundation for true, lasting confidence. Without it, you'll always be fighting against your own self-doubt and limiting beliefs, no matter how much external success you achieve. Step 2. Take action and build evidence. Mindset alone isn't enough. You also need to take action and start building evidence of your own competence and capability. This is where the real transformation happens. Taking action could mean stepping out of your comfort zone and trying new things, setting and achieving small goals to build momentum. Or it could mean facing your fears head-on and doing the things that scare you. For example, let's say you want to become more confident in social situations. You could start by making small talk with strangers, joining a club or group, or even taking an improv class. Each time you take action and succeed, even in a small way, It reinforces your belief in yourself and builds your confidence. Or maybe you want to become more confident in your career. You could volunteer for a new project, take on a leadership role, or learn a new skill that will make you more valuable to your employer. Every action you take is another brick in the foundation of your confidence. The key is to start small and build momentum. Don't try to tackle your biggest fear or goal right away. That's a surefire way to get overwhelmed and discouraged. Instead, focus on taking baby steps and celebrating each win along the way. Step 3. Fake it till you make it. This step might sound counterintuitive, but it's incredibly powerful. Act confident, even when you don't feel that way inside. Why does this work? Because our minds have a hard time distinguishing between reality and what we're pretending. If you act confident long enough, your mind will start to believe it, and your confidence will become genuine. So how do you fake it? Stand tall with your shoulders back and head held high. Make eye contact and speak with a clear, confident voice. Dress in a way that makes you feel powerful and put together. Visualize yourself as a confident, successful person. At first, it might feel awkward or even silly. But stick with it, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your mindset starts to shift. Your body language and behavior will start to shape your inner reality, and before you know it, you'll be exuding genuine confidence. Step 4. Celebrate your wins. Finally, it's important to celebrate your wins, no matter how small they might seem. When you achieve a goal or overcome a challenge, take the time to acknowledge and appreciate your accomplishment. This reinforces your belief in yourself and keeps you motivated to continue building your confidence. It also helps to counteract any negative self-talk or doubts that might creep in. So whether it's treating yourself to a special meal, buying yourself a small gift, or simply taking a moment to pat yourself on the back, make sure you're celebrating your wins along the way. This will keep you energized and focused on your journey to unshakable confidence. One inspiring example of unshakable confidence is Nick Vujicic, a motivational speaker born with a rare disorder called phocomelia, which caused him to be born without arms and legs. Despite facing immense challenges and adversity from a young age, Nick refused to let his circumstances define him or limit his potential. As a child, Nick struggled with depression and even attempted suicide at one point. But through sheer determination and an unwavering belief in himself, he overcame his struggles and developed the confidence to pursue his dreams. Today, Nick is a world-renowned motivational speaker who has inspired millions with his message of hope, resilience, and self-belief. What's truly remarkable about Nick's story is that he had to overcome not just physical limitations, but also the psychological barriers that come with being different. He had to cultivate an unshakable confidence in himself and his abilities, despite facing constant stares, judgments, and doubts from others. Yet, Nick refused to let any of that hold him back. He learned to embrace his uniqueness and use it as a source of strength and inspiration. And in doing so, he has become a living embodiment of what it means to have true, unshakable confidence. Now, it's your turn to unleash your inner badass and start living life with unshakable confidence. Follow the Unshakable Confidence Blueprint, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your mindset shifts and your confidence soars. Remember, confidence is a skill that can be learned and mastered. It might feel uncomfortable or even impossible at first, but stick with it, and you'll soon be radiating confidence in every area of your life. So, stop holding yourself back and start living life to the fullest. What's one area of your life where you struggle with confidence, and how do you think the Unshakable Confidence Blueprint could help you overcome that struggle? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And if you found value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content on unlocking your full potential. Thank you.